Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Do you want to start making money from your Instagram account? In this video, I will show you how to use the professional dashboard to track your growth, unlock tools, and start monetization your content the smart way. Actually, Instagram's professional dashboard is more powerful than most people realize. Today, I'll walk you through how it works, how to access monetization features, and how to turn your Instagram into a real income source. So this is my Instagram account, and my account is right now private. So first of all, I will turn into a professional account. So I will turn it to the public account first of all. So I have switched it to public account. Okay, so as you can see that my account is now selected as publicly. I have turned on this feature of the publicly. Now I will go over the three tabs again, and I will show you how you can access your professional dashboard. Okay, so we will scroll down. Okay, and here will you see an option of the professional dashboard. Okay, so let's check for it. By the way, you can also search on the main page and it will get you there. So I'm going to account type. So I'm going to switch to a professional account. Okay, so I'll click on this next. Here I can select my category. Let's say I'm a digital creator, so I will select switch to professional account. So it can only take up to 30 seconds to create your professional account, not more than that. So after that, you can select your type of account. Let's suppose it's a creator or a business account. I'm going for the creator one. Okay, so after that I will click on OK, promotion email as well. So the next, simplify. Okay, so I'm going for the not now, and it will give us our you can also complete this 7 step, like you can get verified on the Meta, you will get a blue tick on your Instagram account. So I'm going with the complete my profile. Okay, get inspired. So you have to complete this all of these steps so that you can get your professional dashboard. Okay, so you can select this get inspiration from there. So I'm just completing these steps one by one so I can show you how it looks like in the professional account. So I'm going there, and let's go for this. I have already done this. Grow your audience. Okay, so let's invite some friends by Instagram, or you can also follow the accounts so let's suppose we do this and we click on the done so that we can complete this step. So there are 2 steps for remaining. Tell us your goals. You can select the like we want to reach. Okay, so you can also media engagement. So next, click next. You can also select this multiple options. So I will go with the done, and we have completed 6 steps. So this is the final step, how boost guideline, like how you can run your ads on the Instagram. See, okay, so you can select the photo you want to promote, or the ad, or the reel you want to promote. After that, you will just select it, and then you can make the payment and boost your post. Okay, so you can select the type how you want to boost. So right now I'm not going for this. Okay, so we have got our professional account already. So it's asking again, let's do it again. By the way, we have already done these steps, so we are already into our professional account. Okay, so in this way you can achieve your professional account, and you can go for the insight tool as well. Here you will get insights of the views in the last 7 days as well as 28 days. It's up to you, like you can say 30 days or the previous month or the last 90 days. So that's how you can track your account. Like you can also track your views, or the people who are following you. You can see the interaction and much more. So you can also get to know about the followers and their behavior. So here I'm going to create a tool. Here you can set up your ads payment account. Like you can also set up partnership ad. Here you can see the monetization status. So right now I have as you can see that I have a policy violation right now. So you can also request a review. So once you have no violations and good to go, then you are able for the monetization. So that's all about TikTok Instagram monetization, how you can achieve your, how can you get your professional Instagram account. So I'll catch you in the next video and will provide you more details how you can run ads so that you can boost your followers on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.